Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard language in Windows 11 PC. For this, right click on Start menu, then go to Settings. From here, select Time and Language. Now go to Language and Region. Select Add a Language. Now choose your desired language, or you can search for the language. I'm selecting German here. Click Next. Keep it as default. Click on Install. The language pack will be installed on your device. I have already downloaded Italian language here. So let's see how to change the language. As you can see, my default language here is English. Click on this. I'm going to select Italian here. Now to check it, go to the search bar and search for OSK. Hit enter, and as you can see, the keyboard language changed to Italian. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.